Ashley. Since joining the show, how has your life changed and how are you handling the sudden surge of Big Brother fame? Who wants to go first? Princess. Nakateaser si Ashley. So Princess,
Sige,
ikaw.
ako na. Well, siguro nothing changed. Wala naman masyadong nagbago. I mean, I'm still me. But, ayun na nga, siguro mas marami lang nakakakilala na sa akin ngayon. Mas maraming supporters, which I'm very grateful for. Pero, ayun na nga, tungkol naman dun sa Big Brother fame na nakuha namin from PBB. Well, palagi din naman akong pinapaalalahanan ng family ko to always be humble and to always be appreciative of what I have. So, ayun, wala namang nagbago. I'm still me.
Still the princess that you are. Yan, tama. Remain humble and grateful. How about you, Ashley?
Ako naman po, kita ko po na grabe po talaga yung nadagdag po na supporters and fans po talaga. So, paglabas ko po ng bahay, punong-puno po agad ako ng pagmamahal mula po sa mga kaibigan ko, sa family ko, and of course po, doon po sa mga fans ko. And nakakatuwa po na ganun po yung naging impact ko po sa kanila and how I'm handling po the Big Brother fame po right now. Siyempre po, mas malaking responsibility po as a role model na rin. And dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence and impact po namin sa mga nakatutok po sa amin, sa mga nanonood po sa amin. Gusto ko po talaga ngayon na mas mag-improve po to become better dahil alam ko po na malaki po yung influence po namin. So yun po talaga yung goal ko ngayon, to make good use po of what I have right now.
It's actually great. Like they say, with great power comes with great responsibility. So keep on inspiring the young people out there, Ashley. Now, for Heath, this is actually an interesting question. So, shipping culture and fan bases for PBB are incredibly intense. So how do you feel about the love teams or pairings that fans have already created for you online?
Ayan ano po. Siyempre po nakakagulat po and it was really unexpected po kasi nung sa loob ng bahay po ni Kuya, we had no idea po. Pero ayun po, nakakatuwa po na nakikita yung mga ganun po and yung support po nila sa amin. It makes us happy pa rin po.
And no wonder mapapair ka talaga sa maraming love teams because you are another Kapuso heartthrob in the making. Yes, let's give it up for Heath, everybody. And that's it from Iza Iglesias of Manila Times. Now, let's move on for Marco. Ready ka na, Marco? Eto na. So, Marco, your time has arrived. Okay. So dahil limitado ang opportunities at roles inside the PBB house, kamusta ang naging competition sa batch ninyo?
Well, honestly po, for our batch, it didn't feel like competition talaga kasi we had our own chances of stepping up. And I believe na yung bawat housemates has their own kind of strengths at naniniwala ako na ipakita po namin yun through certain circumstances, certain situations. And siguro kasi dahil lahat kami may kanya-kanyang pinapatunayan, may kanya-kanyang ipinaglalaban, siguro yun yung naging competition is yung me versus me. Competition against sa sarili nila on how they're going to step up, on how they're going to show na kaya nila at para maipakita sa mga housemates at sa mga tao na kailangan nila ng tiwala sa sarili nila to overcome every challenge, mapa-task man yan, mapa-household chores. Kasi lahat kami mapagbigay. We are very communicative when it comes to pagka may mga kailangang asikasuhin, may mga kailangang ayusin. At isa yun sa talagang kinatutuwa ko sa batch namin is that we're very vocal sa kung anong nararamdaman namin sa bawat isa. And through that, mas nag-shine yung kanya-kanya naming mga strengths at mas naipakita namin yun.
Grabe, I can't believe I'm talking to teenagers. I feel like I'm talking to people in their 20s. Ganun ka mature. I think that's what happens when you stay inside the bahay ni Kuya. The wisdom that you gain. And of course, Marco, I salute you as well because you were able to raise awareness for people with special needs. So that's definitely the wonder brother right there. Thank you so much, Marco, for that. And now, to wrap it all up, this question is actually for everyone. So the last question is, if magkakaroon